How you doing? A Viewmaster. Back when I was a kid, this was my video game. Welcome back. Welcome back to another edition of California Corrupt Child Services. Now, when I last left off, I was telling you that I was waiting for some paperwork from the, here we go, I'm not going to screw it up, the Family Law Facilitators. Well, they sent it to me, and I've got it. And basically, it had the usual things, if you're wondering what they send you. Basically, it's your actual court paperwork showing you that you are requesting a hearing. Then, of course, you've got the dreaded income and expense declaration, where you've got to tell them how much money you make and how much money you spend. And then you've got to do, you've got to fill out all this different type of paperwork, give them your pay stubs and all that good crap. Then they get to the real nitty-gritty. You got to tell them how much you paid. You got to show all the proof. Well, for those of you who have been following this, here we go. Remember the book? Yep. We're going to send the book again. This will be, gosh, at least 18th, 19th time I've sent this book out to these people. Gets tiring after a while. But I'll be doing that this Friday. I'll be sending it out to them, and then I have to do a court date, which I'll be doing it over the telephone, which if you happen to be lucky enough to be to qualify, there's a list of things that you must do, or not so much do, but that you must meet in this certain criteria to be able to do a phone call. Mine being the fact that the court's in Los Angeles and I'm here in Tennessee. But you have to have a landline. Now that's going to be a problem for me because I don't have a landline. I do everything on cell phone. So I was lucky enough to find somebody who has a landline. I'll be using their phone. I just hope they don't call when I'm not there to verify this number, because this person has Alzheimer's. She's a relative. But let's see, what else can I tell you? That's really all about the case right now. I'm just going to be sending it off. We'll find out. I expect the court date to be sometime in December or January 2010 or 2011. In the meantime, it'll probably be kind of dead, but I will be putting up a video next time on this channel. It doesn't have to do with California, with the child services. It has to do with something else I'm dealing with another governmental agency. It's the Social Security Department. Actually, it's the Medicare division. It's a crack up. Give you a brief background. My mother's 85, but she's never been on Medicare. I know that sounds strange. Why has she not had Medicare for the last 20 years? Well, it's because she had what's called a survivor's benefits health care plan. My father was able to get lifetime benefits for him and his spouse, which was my mother. And because of that, Medicare wants to fine my mother for not coming on board and spending their money instead of somebody else's money. But I'll get more into it next video. But until then, I guess that's it. Peace out.